Beauty is pain, beauty
Yes.
is pain.
You're gonna love it though. It helps with pore size too.
Oh, good, I need that.
I grew up on the beach, I grew up on the ocean, so I feel like the sun has done some damage. Sunspots, just uneven skin tone, so I kind of really want to work with that.
So where you still have like youthful skin, we're doing a 60 pin to help with the superficial fine lines and wrinkles. And I will do more than one pass. And this is what I do.
I love to do Fractora. I feel being 36, my skin needs some love. It needs to be retexturized, even scarring. Old acne scars, it helps out with that. So the full evening of the skin tone and just rejuvenation.
How's that feeling?
So finding the right place was kind of hard. Seeing who I trust, seeing who knows what they're doing is really important. Being a client of Skintegrity, I've done different type of facials. I've done laser hair removal and I've done Botox. I've gotten so many things that helped me feel good about myself and help my skin.
That's it. That's the whole treatment. Your skin reacted perfect.
I'm excited to see the results.
Yes.